Hi everyone, hi TEDx Bled and hi Challenge Future. My name is Anne-Marie Mafadon and this is Redefining Mass Education for the masses, and this is my attempt at inspiring, changing and impacting. I'd like to tell you a story about a little girl. She wasn't born in the best part of town, she didn't have the richest upbringing and she didn't go to the best school, but she had a belief that she could achieve anything and she could do anything. Anything at all. In fact, age 10 she passed her GCSE, which is an exam which is normally done age 16 in maths and ICT, and then the following year she went on to do an A-level in computing and is currently the youngest person ever to have done so, aged 11. Why? How? Well, maths isn't all that difficult if you know your way around it. Maths is what we use to understand the world around us through distance and through weight. Maths is how you're able to stay stable on your bike. Maths is how you're able to know whether the shopkeeper has shortchanged you or not. And you know, as my dad always says, every child is a genius. I work full time during the week, but on Saturday mornings I mentor and I help out at a supplementary school within inner city London, and we've been able to help 5-year-olds, or we've had a 5-year-old that's passed her own GCSE recently, and same questions, why? Well, because she had the same belief that the other little girl had. And how? Well, through a combination of technology and peer learning and peer teaching. And it's been a great experience, it's been a great thing to watch. According to a University of Texas study, you remember 10% of what you read, 20% of what you hear, 30% of what you see and hear, 50% of what you hear, along with seeing and doing, 70% of what you say, and 90% of what you hear and do. And peer learning is all about doing, hearing, then doing, and then hearing. So for me, learning is not just about the right answer, it's about the exploration. So for you, what works for you? Is it podcasting? Do you need to watch videos on YouTube? Do you need to write something out over and over and over again? If it's not something you've ever thought of, give it a think, go and explore. What is it that is the best way for you to learn? You know, it's your secret weapon. Learn it, take it with you through life. Use it to grow, to help and to give. Use it to inspire, to change and to impact. Thanks TEDx, I've been Anne-Marie Mafadon.